good thing that I'm mobile. Dude tore up my wife's car. And look at this thing. 2020. Smooth effed off. I'm gonna fix it, so y'all stay tuned. And you already know we're gonna get it done. 2020 Sorento. What we're gonna do now is take this fender off. We got another one. Repair this. Swap that. And we're gonna get this bumper off. So what you got to do is you got bolts here, 2 bolts here for the headlight, and you got another bolt right inside of here for the headlight, as you can see. But this one is done for. Alright, so next thing you're gonna have is usually right in here you're gonna have a clip that this goes up into, like, you know, like this. But you got some 10mm bolts that go across the front edge right there for the bottom skid plate. And got this jacked up. We're gonna take off these clips. You're gonna have right here, take this out, it's like an 8mm bolt right in there. Alright, get this one out. I'm gonna pull that. Bring this out. Take that. Bring it over the latch. Okay. And so, and take this clip off. Take that, and then we'll have to remove this. Here it is, their AKA new one. Headlight assembly. Unfortunately, this thing has got, God, the only thing about this thing, bro, it's got this like discoloration up here.
You know your wife's gonna say something.
Man, bro, you know that thing is not. Oh, wait a minute. Does this side have it? It's got
1,000 grit.
I don't know, bro. That thing looks like it's been.
To be honest with you.
Thing looks like it's been sitting there. I got the hack. I got a little PB on there. A little penetrating oil. For y'all guys out there, a little bit of PB blaster. We'll get your headlight looking new again. Looks like we got 2 10mm holding this fender on, plus this. Well, that's for the light, actually. All right, bring this thing outside. Move this out there. And we got 1 bolt there, 1 there. All right. So got the fender off. There it is, trashed. And some. Here, good business now. Now I know some people are gonna be hating because they're like, "What the F is this guy doing? That's not how you do the stuff like that." Look at that. No special tools needed. Taking me out some work. Take, no problem. Man, this thing is lined up down there, bro. With that hammer, I ain't even touched it. Look, I'm gonna go straight in the hole just to prove it. Alright, got the plastic bumper welding kit here. See how this works. You're gonna put your staple contraption in there. Hold your trigger, heats it up, and then you're going to hold this in the spot you need it to be in. Like this. Get up in there. Like freaking $25. Comes with everything.
The whole set?
All the staples, everything.
I buy one.
Yeah. There you go. Whoa. That thing started getting flexible as heck. Alright. But let me see if I can do here. Alright. There she goes. Welding sticks right here. So we're gonna put those in there. Boom. Just like that. Put us a little bit of heat. He fights Jake Paul.
Is that fight even still going on?
So apparently.
When is it?
I don't even know. Think it's worth watching? I mean, just for the heck of
I
it.
haven't seen like any promotions for that. With Tank?
Yeah. I was gonna fix this edge, and I'm just gonna hit like that piece, that edge piece. Now I'm gonna clear the whole bumper though.
But just with the roads and everything.
Do this for real. Yeah, I already know what's the deal. Walking by faith, I don't care how I feel. I feast on the scriptures, man, I need a meal. I don't care if the world think that I'm crazy. Man, I work at the spirit, no way that I'm lazy. Yeah, I'm covered by the blood, so you know that I'm brazy. They with the ball like my name was Tom Brady. I was drunk and I'm stupid, the Lord still saved me. Shine like the light, no the devil gon' hate me. I'm awake in the spirit, ain't no way the world play me. Thankful for whatever the Father gave me.